Hey there, it's Alex from WTI, and I just wanted to tell you why I think that these Chap-Lip chapsticks would be a great choice. As soon as you make the first swipe of these chapsticks from Chap-Lip, you can tell right away that they've been made with lovely ingredients. What I like the most about these chapsticks is that they smell fruity, but it's not overpowering. And they smell like the real thing, fresh fruits. I've tried other fruity chapsticks before and they smell fake. You know what I'm talking about. These chapsticks from Chap-Lip smell good and feel great on. They leave your lips feeling hydrated, all thanks to that lovely coconut oil they're made with. And for someone who is addicted to chapstick because their lips are always dry, this is crucial. Why do you need 24 chapsticks, you may ask? Well, for me, I have a chapstick in literally every corner of my house, and there's always one within an arm's length. But this time, my mom and I used them for small gifts to give to some of our friends. I made these little holders, and there's room at the top to place your sentiment. Think about how these chapsticks would be great for party favors. Really happy with these chapsticks from Chap-Lip. I highly suggest you go stock up on your supply, and that's my point of view.